Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing DuPont Suites, Louisville, St. Matthews. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. DuPont Suites, Louisville, St. Matthews. This DuPont Suites, Louisville, St. Matthews is located in Louisville and offers free Wi-Fi and a 24-hour front desk. DuPont Suites, Louisville, St. Matthews provides guests with laundry facilities, upgraded bedding with extra pillows, and fresh water in every room. The property offers free on-site parking and free local phone calls. Attractions within close proximity to the hotel include the Churchill Downs, the Kentucky Fair and Expo Center and the Papa Johns Cardinal Stadium. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.